How to remove share button on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove the share button on your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is, of course, open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you've done that, you can head over to the bottom right corner and then head over to settings and privacy. Now, to remove your share button from a post in Facebook, what you'll need to do is you'll need to change who can share or see your stuff, that is, who can see your content. Now, to do that, you'll need to head over to your settings and privacy and then audience and visibility. There you'll find an option, so simply just check out different options there, and after you find your post or stories, tap on it and you will see who can see your future posts and stuff like that. Now you'll see always share post to story, you will see different options, and whenever you see limit who can see past posts, if you head over there, you can just remove people from seeing your past posts completely. And now if you just want to make sure that other people cannot share your posts, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to share your post with your close friends. If you just change that setting from where I showed you, and that's basically it. Now if you go to how people find you and contact you, you can just change your friends list as well, and doing that will simply not remove your share button, but it'll prevent people from sharing your Facebook posts to other different people. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.